you got to think about what you're paying for here. There's coat. Those are the only two we're gonna select. That's gonna scratch the living hell out of your paint. What's up guys? Today we're telling you how to get the most bang for your buck at these coin-op car washes. I'm here all the time and I used to be a professional detailer, and time again when I'm here, I see people making huge mistakes that actually damage your car. So stick around and find out how to get the most bang for your buck and have the best results with your car. Before we even turn the machine on, we're gonna get our floor mats out, ready to go. So let's pop these suckers out. They're disgusting. Disgusting. So we're gonna hang them up so that they're ready to go and we don't waste money and time while it's running to get our floor mats out. Boom, now those are ready to go. Another step we can do to prep, I like to do this, it's not vital, but I like to bring some rim cleaner just to spray it on there to loosen up some brake dust before we start power washing. Just coat everything up. So at the machine, what do you want to do here? I see a lot of people, if you come take a look at this, they'll start with rinse and just put water on the car. What you actually want to do is just start straight with soap. You got to think about what you're paying for here. The things that cost money are soap and wax. Those are the only two we're going to select this whole wash. You don't need to wash the wax off your car. You actually want to leave it on your car. This is detailing wax. So you finish up the clean with the wax and that'll protect your car actually in the winter. Keep brake dust from and everything from sticking to the paint. Major mistake I see people always making. Using this brush is a major sin when detailing a car. People I see using the soap feature on this, running across their paint. That's gonna scratch the living hell out of your paint. People use this on their rims and you get asbestos and brake dust on this brush, scratching the hell out of your paint. As a detailer myself, it's almost impossible to get those scratches out. Never ever wash your car with this. If you really want to use this, only ever use it on the rims. So let's get this machine going. Hello to my little friend. Start at the top and work your way down. This is the stage where you want to hit your floor mats so the soap can eat away at some of that dirt. The car's fully soaked up. Let's switch to wax, and that's how we're going to clean the soap off. Boom. You might see that there's a little layer of soapy looking liquid. That's just the wax. It's gonna go away. Do not worry if there's a layer of stuff on the car. It's just the wax. So to dry the car off, I recommend getting your own towel. You can pick these up at 10 bucks at Walmart. When you're using a drying towel, since it's dry right now, you always want to start with the glass because we're not going to scratch the glass. The glass is a million times stronger than paint. So we're going to lubricate the towel by doing the glass first. There we go. Now that the towel is lubricated, we can fold it up and move to the paint. Never forget to put your floor mats back. No joke, I'll tell you a story. My first car, I came and did this, drove away without my floor mats, went back an hour later, somebody had already taken them. So throw your floor mats back in. So I got one more tip. Okay, last tip, finish the whole detail off. The biggest thing you can do when detailing a car, surprisingly, to make it pop and look the best, is always the wheels. What we're gonna do This is another thing I'd recommend you guys get. Tire shine. So bring some tire shine and one of these cleaning brush things. It's a cheap way to get it on there. When you're buying your tire shine, you want to get one that lubricates the rubber. A lot of these spray foam ones will actually degrade the quality of your rubber, and then you'll see this cracking over time. That's actually a safety concern, so always get one that lubricates more than shines. We're gonna get some shine, but it's also gonna help keep the rubber lasting a long time. Also, I had a buddy, he called me after buying his car and he said the ABS light's coming on. We had no idea what was causing it. Turns out it was the detailer at the dealership had put this tire shine on the tread that touches the road. Never do that. Only put the tire shine on your sidewall. So apply it liberally.